The purpose of this video is to be a quick, short 3 to 4 minute introduction into the SoftPoll Solutions platform. As you can see, this is a web-based system. Your salespeople and employees will have access with a username and password. They can simply log in and start pulling credit soft polls and a wide variety of other reports. We can embed iframes to place applications on your website. This will link or tie your website right into our portal. Now, it's integrated. If you look at the fields and information you need from the consumer, notice you do not need the consumer's social security number or date of birth in order to look at a full credit report. This is a soft poll. It does not impact the consumer's credit in any way. The other purpose of a form like this is to get the consumer's consent and then store that consent. Your life will be much easier when the consumer submits this form. Not only will it tie into our portal, we will alert you that you have a new application and will send the consumer a privacy policy and display any message you'd like to display based off their credit situation. Congratulations, you've been pre-approved. Thank you for submitting the form. Whatever it may be, you have options with the decisioning engine. One of the biggest takeaways from this, you should understand that you literally have access to so many reports at your fingertips. We can't get into all the different reports, but we'd like to highlight just a few of them. Here's a soft poll report. This is a full file credit report. It does not impact the consumer's credit in any way. You can see the summary. You've got the score. We can provide a FICO score or any scoring models you need. Some of our clients use Vantage Score. That's fine too. Public records, collections, individual trade lines, mortgages, auto loans, student loans, credit card balances. Are they 30, 60, or 90 days past due on any of those? Our clients also like the ability to look at someone's bank account to verify funds, see when someone gets paid on what date, how much they are getting paid, and can then set the consumer up on a payment plan based on those dates and knowing their income. Our clients want the ability to look up bankruptcy liens and judgment reports, tax liens and civil judgments, employment information, knowing when and ultimately where someone works. Do they have a current job? Identity verification? Social security number? Address? Date of birth? ID Verify will ultimately verify these details. Our tenant screening companies love the ability for eviction information, including suits, liens, judgments, eviction history. They also want the ability to look at criminal data. Now, this is not just limited to our tenant screening companies. Businesses use this all the time for background checks, arrest warrants, criminal records, sex offender lists, and traffic records. It's not just for background check purposes either. Many use cases exist that require criminal data knowledge and business credit reports like Experian. We probably see the Experian Business Profile Report pulled most commonly, but we have access to D&B reports as well. We also have access to property information, the ability to search an address to see who owns that property, and the ability to search a consumer to see which addresses or properties that consumer actually owns. They may own 3 or 4 different properties. DMV information, the ability to look and see if someone carries a commercial license or what their traffic records look like. Collection tools as well, tracking someone down. What's their current address? Have they moved? What's their new phone number? We have many different tools. We'd love to work with you in your business. SoftPoll Solutions. Please reach out to us with any questions or business needs at 844-515-1550.